Welcome back to Auto Garage, the channel where power meets precision and innovation rolls on wheels. If you're a fan of next-level RC machines with extreme military presence, you're going to love what we've got for you today. Prepare yourself for the thunderous arrival of the new next-generation 2023 Cross RC BC8 Mammoth 8x8 off-road military truck, paired with the monstrous T247 trailer and tank setup. This is not just a vehicle, it's an engineering masterpiece that redefines remote control performance. The Cross RC BC8 Mammoth is already known as a legend among RC enthusiasts, but in 2023, it returns even more powerful, refined, and realistic. Built on a robust and highly detailed chassis, the BC8 is designed for maximum off-road capability and unmatched realism. This 8x8 military truck dominates rough terrain with precision thanks to its full-metal drivetrain, high-torque power system, and all-wheel independent suspension. It's a true behemoth of the trail. What sets this version apart is the stunning addition of the T247 military trailer, a heavy-duty tank hauler designed to carry a full-scale replica tank. This trailer isn't just for show, it features realistic loading ramps, working suspension, metal components, and high-detail tires. And let's not forget the center of attention, the military tank that comes with this combo. It's detailed, armored, and fully functional with moving treads, turret rotation, and incredible realism. Under the hood, the BC8 Mammoth features a powerful brushed motor system, waterproof electronics, a precision 2.4 GHz transmitter, and a programmable ESC that handles all 8 wheels with torque and stability. The chassis is engineered with durable CNC aluminum alloy components, stainless steel links, and a heavy-duty central gearbox. Combine that with oil-filled shocks, beadlock wheels, and military-grade tires, and you have a machine ready for any terrain, rocks, mud, sand, or snow. This 2023 edition comes fully loaded with LED lights on the cab, headlights, taillights, and auxiliary lighting on both the truck and trailer. It adds an extra layer of realism, especially in low-light or nighttime driving. The cab is modeled after real military transport trucks, featuring a full interior with detailed dashboard, steering wheel, gear levers, and more. It even has a removable roof section so you can display the cabin interior in its full glory. The T247 trailer adds another level of utility with working ramps and suspension that mimic real-world performance. Whether you're hauling the included tank or other 1/12 or 1/14 scale vehicles, the trailer handles weight with ease. The tank itself is detailed with rotating parts, turret movement, and scale accessories like antennas, hatches, and fuel barrels. This setup is ideal for hardcore RC collectors, military enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to command attention on the trail or display shelf. It's not just about performance, it's a piece of military history.